Damn, it's the wrong fucking starter. Damn.
Yeah, it's doing lifestyle. It's doing lifestyle. I got a box too, got an ace on it. Got another box Chevy too. Yeah, I need y'all. I need y'all. Got a box Chevy 2 with the order 28. Subscribe to my channel, you can check out my page. Got an 87 box Chevy 2, yeah, it's great. Had a truck on 30, man, I think it was an 8. Oh yeah, man, I forgot the colors. I was thugging, yeah, up in the colors. Seat was bucket, my driveway was flooded. I was hustling, we turned nothing to something. Hit that button, hit that button. Post notifications, hit that button. Subscribe the channel, hit that button. Hit that button, hit that button.
What's good with the game, man? We're back with another video. Yes, sir, man. Today we're about to change the starter on the car, man. So first thing first, we're gonna spray some goddamn off. I know. Woo. I know y'all might ask me why I got this short on. It's because it's blocking the sun. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gotta get too sweaty, so that's why. In the meantime, let's see. In the meantime, man, we're gonna replace this starter because I got good, like for instance, my battery, my lights and everything are cut on, right? Let me go get my keys real quick so y'all can see what I'm saying. All right, guys. So I got my keys. So this is what he's doing. My lights cut on. Lights cut on. Everything cuts on like it's supposed to. Bike is about to crank, but she don't do nothing. You can drive. Some days she'll crank up, get out the car, she crank up, she's fine. It might just be a random day where I might just park for 5 minutes somewhere. Get back in there, and boom, she don't say nothing. She do exactly what she doing now. So I'd be like, what in the world is that? Wire was loose. But hell, I've got, hold on me. I've got under there, man, and I've caught myself doing all this stuff, making sure everything was good with the starter and the wires and stuff, but it's let me get to where I see. Now I caught myself doing that, make sure the connection was good and everything. But hell, looked like everything was good. In my knowledge. Let's see. Y'all know, y'all probably can see another starter just to see. And if that don't work, then we'll go from there. But in the meantime, we're gonna take the starter down. I gotta get right, guys. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna take the old starter down and we're gonna test it with some jumper cables and a screwdriver. So that's how we're gonna do this. So let me go ahead and take it down, which is 14, or you can use a 9/16, same thing. All right, guys, so if y'all watching me from Don't Lifestyle channel, this is me doing my other channel also. So when I'm fixing up my cars, I post the other videos to my other channel, which is like a how-to channel almost. So the ones that know what y'all doing or whatever, what I'm talking like this, what I'm trying to explain is actually for my other channel, but I'm actually doing it for this channel. So you gotta be smart, man. You gotta know how to play it, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we doing. So y'all just stay tuned, man. And yes sir, lock in. Always on loose the cable. All right, so we got the cable on loose. So always when you're dealing with a starter, take the cables loose up front on your battery. All right, so got the starter. All y'all, I want to show y'all something. So this is the factory starter, and I don't know what's going on with it, but like I said, this was on the S wire on here, and y'all can see. So I did have that wire on there, but y'all look right here. She real loose, like even up in here. Here, man, be done with it. So I saved this one though, just in case. And I'm gonna take this one with me just in case if they do a co-charge. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. So hopefully when we get back, man, we can you know, fix that and put the new one on. And I'm gonna keep these little bolts just in case if they don't come with no bolts on the new starter. Man, I know I look a mess right now, but hey, gotta get out here and grind, man. I know I'm dirty and everything, but guys, I've been having trouble with that, and I always tell myself, like, I'm gonna get it. But you know, sometimes, man, time be rolling and days be passing. Kind of forget, you know, and I don't drive my cars like that. So enough to me to actually remember until I actually get in there or actually want to drive the car. That's when all the memories come. So like I said, that's why I changed the thermostat, the hose were a little fat, and y'all gotta understand, like, I got this car when it was like that. So I'm just seeing pieces that I think that'll cause a problem later on, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta be safe than sorry, definitely. I'm doing, guys, and with the starter issue, like, I bought a battery before, and I thought that, you know, just because it's sick, that it was dead. And I was like, man, I gotta figure out something. But I was gonna go to O'Reilly's, but my bad, big bro, my bad, man. My bad, man, I know. That's my fault, man. You were about to pull out, I ain't know which way I was turning. So my bad, dog. You ain't even get mad. That's what I'm talking about, man. Hey, y'all, look at this, man. What the hell is this? Can somebody let me know what kind of car this is? I don't even know. I ain't never seen a car like this. All right, guys, we're gonna get it started. We'll get back with y'all. All right, so this, ain't that truck clean? That bit clean too, I ain't gonna lie. That bit clean, Denali. Gotta be some 26s on there. They look nice though. All right, so apparently AutoZone don't have it. They got 2 in stock, but they can't find the 2, so I ain't got no choice but to go here to O'Reilly, man. That's a good thing. At least I ain't had to go far. And I ain't wanna prevent and go way to, you know, 20, 25 minutes away. So hopefully they got it, man. So they ain't got it. God, no, I'm gonna have to go somewhere else to get it. So hopefully they got it, man. So y'all stay tuned. Yep, they had it. Yep. They had it. Yes, sir. Brand new start on the way. Y'all stay tuned to the month starter. Yes, sir, man. All right, so I was assuming they had the goddamn small starter, but apparently I got to go back in with a big starter. I told them I'm gonna need a motor horse putting this motherfucker in. I'm on a big fat motherfucker. But anyway, y'all, everything worked out. My discount worked out, man. I ended up paying $53 for it. So on the scene, trying to pull somebody over, man. Wrong starter. Man. That's my fault. I really should have looked at the damn thing. Instead of bolting the starter like this, it's gonna be kind of offset. I was trying to say offset. But only thing I looked at when I seen the starter was they both was a big starter. And when I put them side by side, I just looked at the wiring part. But I didn't look at the actual hose that actually mount. So if y'all doing that, if y'all don't know, I always look at the hose. If they side by side, they might fit, but if they offset, you know, and mine's one hole was lining up, but the other one wasn't lining up. And when I did try to line up, it was hitting the flywheel. Let's hope at least one of these, okay. Everybody got these old schools out today. Let's at least hope one of these motherfuckers gonna work sideways. So I do not wanna be able to having to drive way off somewhere to get a starter, man. And I do not wanna go to Advanced Auto because they high as hell. And I know they gonna have one, but it ain't gonna be no $84, it's gonna be more. All right, guys, so sorry about the delay, man. So I went and got the right starter. The starter that I got came off of a, let me see, I got the paperwork, 1986 Chevy C10 pickup rear drive. That's the right starter I had to get. The old one wasn't the right one. So I got the starter under there. I don't know if y'all can see, but y'all probably can't see right now. I done got kind of hot, so I got to start up under there. So we're gonna go ahead and crank her up, man, and see what she sound like. Also put like 2 shims, like it came with 4 shims. I put 2 shims up under there for the safe side. I figured 2 shims wasn't gonna hurt. So guys, here we go. And she's running. She fired right on up. How you place the starter, man. I appreciate y'all for watching the video, man. Y'all stay tuned to the next video. It's gonna be replacing the alternator. We definitely gonna replace the alternator soon, so y'all stay tuned for that next video. But yeah, man, I went up there and I had to figure out what size, and everything was popping up the same. So I definitely had to get the, like right here, the alternator they offset, but the ones that was wrong was the ones that was side by side. So I definitely needed the one that offset. So we matched them up, got the old one, matched them up and put them up on there so they both worked. I mean, they was different, so I got the right one. And I was hoping when I got here, it looked a tad different, but I was hoping when I got here, it fit. So I got up under there, I got kind of tired, burnt out a little bit. My phone went dead, so I couldn't really just record everything. But I hooked everything up just how it's supposed to be. Everything back normal, cleaned off and stuff like that. So guys, y'all stay tuned to the video, man. We're gonna replace the starter next. I mean the alternator next, man, on our next video. So yes sir, y'all stay tuned, man. Thank y'all.